It has taken countless lives, and it has made entire cities uninhabitable. We need your help. More than 1 million people at this moment are living in shelters, in the crowded homes of family members and strangers, and in some cases in the streets. Please volunteer your time, donate money, or send some supplies to people who have lost so much to the powerful winds and waters of the storm. Call and give whatever you can. Now, please welcome a brilliant musician, a California legend, an unbreakable spirit, Brian Wilson.
Please give whatever you can. Every little bit helps. 3, 4.
Walking down the path of life, I feel His presence day and night. Touch me, heal me, wash my sins away.
Touch me, heal me, wash my sins away.
Every night I will pray, I'll be good every day. Give me hope, hope and pray, hope and pray. Walking down the path of life, I feel His presence day and night.
I was sitting in a crummy movie with my hands on my chin. Oh, the violence that occurs seemed like we never win. Love and mercy, that's what you need tonight. So love and mercy to you and your friends tonight. I was lying in my room and the news comes on TV. A lot of people out there hurting, and it really scares me. Love and mercy, that's what you need tonight. So love and mercy to you and your friends tonight. I was standing in a bar and watching all the people there. All the loneliness in this world, well, it's just not fair. Hey, love and mercy, that's what you need tonight. So love and mercy to you and your friends tonight. Love and mercy tonight. I would like to do another one if we could.